Hey guys, today I'm taking a look at the RETEKESS TE202. They are a rechargeable hearing aid designed for people with mild to moderate hearing loss. So let's open up the box, check them out, and see how they work. And yeah, let's take a look inside the box. Here, get on your paperwork, quick start guide. And here's the accessory box. So there's some extra ear tips, cleaning brush, and the USB-C cable as well. And then here's the device itself. And so yeah, let's go test these out and see how they work. The TE202 uses an ergonomic, non-slip, behind-the-ear design that is built to stay comfortable for long periods, especially for seniors. The device is also IP65 rated for water and dust resistance, so everyday moisture, sweat, or light rain won't be a problem, helping to give you more convenience. They use a combination of 16-channel wide dynamic range compression and 32-channel enhanced dynamic range compression. So that's a lot of processing power for an over-the-counter device, and it keeps the distortion rate down to about 2%. So this means voices sound clear, and the overall listening experience feels more natural, especially for middle-aged and elderly users who need clarity without the harshness. They also include 4 different noise reduction algorithms working together: noise suppression, feedback suppression, transient noise blocking, and wind noise suppression. These systems help reduce background distractions and keep speech clear. Whether you're indoors, outdoors, or in a busy environment, the device does a solid job of keeping focus on the conversation. It provides 43 and 5 decibels of gain, which is right in the sweet spot. And you also get 7 levels of volume adjustment, so you can fine-tune it to your comfort level. It also has multiple listening modes from universal, indoor, and outdoor, giving you flexibility depending on where you are. And a standout feature here is the Tinnitus sound therapy system. It uses gentle white noise to help mask tinnitus, which can make a huge difference for users who deal with constant ringing or buzzing. It's designed to create a calmer listening environment throughout the day, and it's a feature you don't see always at this price point. They can also last up to 45 hours on a single charge. And when you pair it with the charging case, you get a total of 162 hours of use. And the case includes a little display that you can always check your remaining power. So for travel or long days out, this kind of battery performance is extremely convenient. You also get anti-feedback protection, an 8-second startup delay so you can put the device on before it activates, and an automatic memory function that saves your last settings. And the settings are easy to get to with just one press to cycle through them. These small details make daily use smoother and more predictable. So overall, the RETEKESS TE202 is a feature-rich hearing aid for its category. So for anyone with mild to moderate hearing loss looking for an accessible, easy-to-use option, then this device is definitely worth considering. And you can check it out in the link in the description below. See you guys on the next one.